In this demonstration, we are going to learn one more interesting topic in OTBI, that is called as drill through approach. Suppose if you have a requirement in your project wherein you have to build a report for your customer, wherein you have to provide the action link on particular column values, and on click of that particular value it has to take that user to the particular web page, like in the Fusion or any other page across the internet. Then this approach is called as drill through approach. In other words, you can consider like how we can add the deep link for OTBI report columns. Like on click of one of the column values, it has to navigate to the appropriate Oracle Fusion page. Like for example, if I'm building the report for invoice payable, then it has to navigate us to the appropriate invoice page, that is the payable invoice page in the Oracle Fusion. So we can achieve this with the help of deep links. So let's get started. In order to demonstrate this use case, I will be creating a new analysis over here. Let me click on analysis and I will go for our favorite, that is payable invoice transaction real time. Let me select this subject area. So I'm here in the BI analysis editor. Let me go to the invoice details, that's over here. Go to the general information. I'm interested in the invoice ID. For example, if you want to navigate to the appropriate page in Oracle Fusion, for example, I'm interested in going to the invoice payable page. Let me show you where the payable invoice is. It's over here, payables. Go to the invoices and let me open one of the invoice. There are a couple of invoices over here. Let me select one of the invoice. So here it will show all the details for the particular invoice, and this is the invoice number. Also, behind the scene, if you are a technical consultant, you might know that each and every record in the Fusion database is stored using the identifier. It's called as invoice ID. Suppose if you want to navigate to the appropriate invoice page, then Oracle Fusion is having the deep links. For more information, you can have a look at this documentation page by Oracle on docs.oracle.com. I'm here in the official documentation page by Oracle, that is for Cloud Application SCM, for creating and administering the analytics report for SCM. So it is having a particular syntax wherein there will be a host and followed by there is the generic constant path, FSCM faces and the deep link. Then it is having three fields like the object type, what we want to do, like we want to create, view or something. Action is edit view, and the object key here, the change object ID in our case will be the AP invoice, and the change ID here we have to pass the invoice ID, not the invoice number. So for more details, you can have a look at this table where Oracle has explained each and everything about the attributes, what it has to use in the deep links over here. And at the end, there is a short note how we can use the same in the OTBI. In the case of OTBI, the placeholders we have to represent like at the rate bracket 1, at the rate bracket 2 and the 3. So this is the syntax where we are going to override those parameters 1, 2, 3 at the runtime within the OTBI report. I will show you how we can do the same in this class. So with this knowledge, we will go back to our report. First, I will add the invoice ID. Let me drag and drop the invoice ID. Then I will be adding the invoice number. I think this got added twice. Let me delete one invoice ID, which was added 2 times. After we add invoice ID, I will add the invoice number as well. Then I'm going to add the supplier name. And the supplier name, I will modify the name over here, custom heading. And I'm going to name this as supplier. Click on OK. Then I'm interested in the invoice amount. Expand the invoice amount section and add the invoice amount. Let me rearrange this. Supplier I will add at the beginning, that is over here. Then comes the invoice ID, number and the amount. If you want to add description and all, you can add that over here. Let me save this report. I will save in ABC 1010. I will tell this as drill through report 01. Click on OK. Let me just see how my data will look like. Go over to the results. Here I can see the supplier, invoice ID, number and the amount. Let me hide the invoice ID. I'm not interested in invoice ID because invoice ID is not shown in the invoice page over here and it might confuse the customer. In order to hide that field, go to the invoice ID, column properties, column format, and just check mark this hide. Click on OK. Save the report. Let's see the results. Here if you see, invoice ID has been hidden from the view layer, but the data is still present at the report level. In order to add the action link, what I will do is I will add the action link at the invoice number level, so that on click of this, it has to use the deep link for Oracle Fusion payable, and it has to navigate us to the appropriate payable invoice. Like for example, in the results, if I see, I will add the hyperlink or the action link. Suppose if the user wants to know more details about this invoice number, then they can click on this and it has to navigate or open such kind of page. Now let's add that. Go to the criteria, go to the invoice number, settings, column properties, go to the interactions, and I want to add this interaction or the action link at the value, not at the heading. Go to the action links, click on plus. Here I will tell view more details. This is the text I will give, which will show on the pop-up when the user clicks on the action link. Also, we had seen in the previous class, if you check mark this do not display the pop-up, it will not show the pop-up and it will not show this text. Now coming to the action link, click on this create a new action link. Previously we had selected navigate to the BI content, that is for the drill down, and for the drill through we have to select this navigate to the web page. Now it is asking for the URL. Now URL we have to use this syntax, wherein it will be having your host, then the constant, and then the generic object type and all. I have already copy pasted this over here, the syntax, which will look like your host name, and then there is this constant generic, and followed by that we are having the object type, that is for the OTBI report 123. We will override this at runtime. So the first parameter, that is at the rate 1, that is object type. In our case the object is AP view invoice. Next action is we are going only for view access. We are only allowing the view access on the payable invoice which we are opening, so we are hard coding it to view. Then followed by that the invoice ID, we will be passing the invoice ID from our report. So this is the URL, copy paste. Now you might ask, we have given this at the rate 123 where we are going to define the parameter. In order to pass this runtime variables, we have to click on define the parameter. So once you click this, define parameter section will be shown over here. Click on plus. Now it will show parameter 1, that's over here, object type at 1, what we have to pass the value. I will tell we want to pass AP invoice. I will copy this and paste it over here, AP underscore view invoice. For more details, you can have a look at docs.oracle.com for AP invoice, how we can pass the deep link. Next, we will click on this plus, add the second parameter. Now, second parameter will be passed in the action, which should be view in our case. Suppose if you want to give any other access, then you can provide like create, insert, whatever is supported for your particular deep link. I will make this fixed and hidden. Click on plus, and third one I will go for take the value from column. From here I will be selecting the invoice ID and I will hide this from the layer. Click on OK. So these are the three parameters which we need in order to pass to the deep link. So for more information you can have a look at this documentation page. So with this said, click on OK and we are good to test our report. Click on OK and let's save this report. Let me go back to the catalog. I will open this report, that is drill through report 01 which we created. Now suppose if the user wants to know more details about ABC underscore 1001 invoice, I will click on this. User will be seeing this pop-up, view more details. If you want to change the text, you can change the text in the report layer. Click on this. So this is going to navigate us to the appropriate invoice page using the deep link. So it has appropriately opened up the invoice, that is ABC 1001. Let's go back. Now if the user wants to know more details about one more invoice, let's see which is the other invoice, that is for Alex Smith W14225 and the invoice amount is 3852. Let me click on this W14225 and the invoice amount is 3852 and this is for Alex Smith supplier. So like this we can make use of drill through approach or add the deep link in order to access the Fusion web page using the action links in Oracle Fusion Cloud OTBI report.